last clothing piece is just a simple white top, which I used one time pa lang ata kasi I feel so tita when wearing it. So I'm planning to make it just a little bit shorter. This second clothing piece is my mom's old off-shoulder top. And medyo maluwag na yung garter sa upper part, so I'm going to make a tube using the lower part of it. Third clothing piece is a long tee na usong-uso dati, and I don't like it anymore. So I'm planning to make a terno skirt and top out of it. This last clothing piece is a dress which I got from an ukay-ukay, and I think na it's hard to wear this in one piece, so I'll also make a terno top and skirt out of it. And as for this one, I realized that it was already cute. So